What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be running a lot of errands. First, I'm going to go ahead and grab these KONIG wheels right here, and we're going to head over to the homie NorCal Auto Styles to pick up some tires and get those mounted. Hopefully I'm going to have to go pick up a few things, drop off a few things, buy a few things. I got to drop by the PO box to check out what's over there, and also drop off all of these stickers that you guys have purchased. These are the Gay Honda Amigo Leo stickers. All of the fundings are going to go to his children. I appreciate you guys' support for real, and they are still available. You guys can go to the community section of YouTube and check out the post there to figure out all the information you're going to need to purchase some of these. I'm going to load up the wheels now and get the ball rolling, so let's get to it. This thing's been up here for a while. Look at the spider webs. Sheesh. Man, these guys got a whole ass Honda Acti in the lobby. What the hell? Yo. What up, what up? What's up? What's good? Hey, yo, what's good, what's good? What's going on, man?
They take them out of the truck. I don't know what there's about 20 pallets out there today. Probably $10,000 worth of items.
With your hands, I'm trying to fill your butt. God damn.
these decograms look so good on the CRX. I'm almost tempted to try these on the KRX. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So fire. Damn. Definitely want to set for this car. So guys, I was gonna work some more on the white CRX, but Herb called me up and he was like, kind of need your help. So I got my tools loaded up and we're gonna go see what's going on with Herb's Civic wagon.
Bro, I got wire.
What'd you do, Herb?
I don't know what I did. I broke it. I broke it in it.
Oh man. So we found Herb. Herb's car kind of shut off and it wouldn't even turn over anymore. And I was telling him that it's potentially the neutral safety switch. He did say that he found a bunch of like crumbs and stuff on the floor from the pedal assembly. If you guys remembered, a couple of years ago, we actually replaced the clutch pedal for Herb. Excuse the creaking door. But we replaced the clutch pedal before with a reinforced one, and sure enough, I pulled the neutral safety switch right here, and then I bypassed it, and now the car is turned on. But the problem is he doesn't have any gears, and I did remember that this car would release the clutch super high. So like there's first, no second, no third, no fourth, no fifth. Most of the time it just wouldn't go into gear at all. So what I'm also thinking is his clutch cable is aftermarket, and I've always had bad experience with it. So this is an aftermarket clutch cable, and it is super maxed out on the threads. It's super duper tight on the turns, and it's pulling the lever up, which is probably explaining why your clutch pedal is so freaking high. Because we did the clutch in this a couple years ago, and there's no way for it to go out as fast as it did, especially because the car sat.
Yeah.
So another thing too, Herb, I just want to let you guys know, your ground is not connected, bro.
What the fuck?
Your ground is not connected, bro. Probably your starting problem right there. But what Herb is gonna do right now is you're gonna try to go to my house. You sure you'll be able to make it with 2 gears?
Easy.
Easy. All right. So what Herb's gonna do is he's gonna go over to my house. I do have an OEM clutch cable that's hanging on the wall, and then we're gonna try to change it out and see if it fixes the issue, and have Herb continue pretty much your day teaching Sabrina how to drive a manual transmission car. So yeah, hopefully you want to drive ahead of me, you want to drive behind me, or you just want to see me there.
I'll drive behind you.
I drive stupid.
I drive stupid too.
Oh, I don't know if you can keep up though, but
At this point,
you know what, the
everything is about to be
destination
stupid.
is my house.
The journey is getting there.
Yeah, as your boy Leo would always say. So the wagon, for some reason, went through all the gears.
That when it's rolling, it'll go. It's when you stop and you try to get them in, you want to go.
Yeah, it's weird because he literally drove it like I don't know how many miles all the way to my house. But anyways, I did find a clutch cable, an OEM one. This is literally the last one in my box, and typically all my cars are obviously hydro conversions, so I don't really need it, but I like to keep spare OEs just in case, and this is one of those reasons. So if you look, this is the aftermarket one that's in Herb's car that we just took out, and if you compare the bottom over here, it's about half an inch taller. So that means we get more adjustment out of this, and I feel like this has been Herb's issue from the beginning, but you know, I think it's been an issue for so long that now the transmission is taking a toll. But I mean, he drove here, so I'm gonna install that clutch cable and see if it'll at least help with his you know, going in a gear situation, and also connect his ground too, because your boy forgot it.
Thank you. Thank you, Dana. Woo!
All right guys, so Herb's car fixed. He just took off with Sabrina to go grab some boba, and I think they're going to finish off their video, which is teaching Sabrina how to drive a manual transmission car. My day shifted a little bit because Herb called me for some help. His car wouldn't turn on for one, and then once we got that figured out, his car wouldn't go into gear. So we were fortunate enough to get it into gear to force it to come here to my house, and I found out that the clutch cable was aftermarket, which I was like, you know what? I've never had good results with an aftermarket clutch cable, so I had an OEM one lying around because all my cars have went hydro, and we threw that into his car and we had much more adjustability. So now his car actually engages the clutch where it needs to be, and it feels good. We did try to do a burnout. I didn't really record that, but it did a burnout in first gear, then it bogged down because, you know, dual point injection. But regardless of the fact, his car goes into gear now and it is running and driving once again. So they took off, and I originally was supposed to work on my white CRX, but I was helping out Herb instead. I went to Home Depot to buy some sandpaper to sand down the driver's side because I haven't done it yet. I've already done the passenger side and polished it with stage 1, but I also just found out that I don't even have any more stage 1 3M compounds. So I ordered some of that with some new pads off of Amazon, which is where I got it originally. And hopefully that comes in later this week so we can actually get to the color sanding and polishing of the whole car, so we can put all the moldings and everything back onto the car to get it ready for Race Wars. I really wanted to do all the little things in between until we get this car to the alignment rack and the dyno, but its size element is set to tune this weekend, and I'm trying to get the HCRX on there as well too. So in between these days, I really want to make some progress on it, and I want to get the car into the alignment rack, which is why we went to go pick up some tires today. Shout out to NorCal. They mount and balanced it for me, and then we installed it onto the car. It looks freaking amazing with the KONIG Falcon tire combo, and that was like literally the last thing I wanted to put on the car before taking it to the alignment, because you really want to put the car to the alignment on the setup that it's going to be driving on. So the 2 back tires finally is on the car. All 4 Konigs are on, and the car should be ready to go to the alignment rack whichever day my alignment guy is available to do the alignment. This video wasn't much, but we made progress in all sorts of ways. But I think I'm going to end the video right here because we already lost a lot of daylight, and I got to do some sharpening for my mom and you know, get an early start on some editing videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with some progression updates on the H car, and you guys saw a little bit of Herb's wagon. But yeah, you guys already know what the deal is. Progress is better than no progress. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you guys want to stick around for, I'm supposed to have a car come in tomorrow and then another one this weekend. So if you guys want to stick around and see what those are, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.